Hi guys, it's me, I'm Geek. Today I am gonna show you. I'm gonna show you how to dress up and how to make a costume of my most latest character. You haven't seen him yet, but I'm gonna show him to you. Yeah, this is one of my newest characters. He's from the Star Wars universe. He's basically me as a Sith Lord. I call myself Darth Talnus in this role. And it's a very simple costume, but it's okay. If you want to dress up as Darth Talnus, vajing, and let's do this. Now, what I recommend is one of these hoodies. Now, I recommend one of these, well, not one of these zipping hoodies, well, because, it doesn't really look right. But it's okay. The option is there, but this is the only one I have. Of course, it has to be black and it has to be a hoodie, but it has also to have sleeves. It just has to. Yeah. And, yeah, I would recommend you have leather instead of this just fabric. Yeah, I also use this fabric pants. I have to use this because it blends in with this black. When you put it up, of course I have my Star Wars t-shirt under, but yeah, look, and it blends in pretty much. Yeah, that's what you got. Black pants, black hoodie, and you're done. Now, if you have anything that you have to have on your head, at all times, you're screwed. If you want to dress up like me, but yeah. You're going to have to take the hoodie and make sure the hoodie is big. I mean, like, it's so big that it covers your eyes. But that's the look I'm going for. Then, you're going to take a cape. Now, luckily, the cape is leather, and I also took this material that has like very nice creases in it, and like really nice design and lines. Personally, it looks really cool to me. Now, let's put it on. Now I'm gonna just tie it a little bit. Like so. Of course, these are gonna stick out, so you want to just take these and put them under. Trust me, it's gonna work. Put them all the way up because they'll be long enough. Yeah. And you have to make sure the cape is so broad that when you put your arms like this, you can't see them. So that's how I like my Sith Lord to be. And of course, leather, what is it called? Gloves. Yeah. No Sith costume is complete without leather and gloves, to me. Where's the other one? Oh, it's right here. Yeah. See, there you got them. Leather gloves. Of course, the most important part of this process, a lightsaber. Yeah. And right now in stores, the only lightsaber they have in stores, really, is Darth Vader's lightsaber, which, yeah, this is the one that you will mostly see for the Sith, and Kylo Ren's, who we have seen some leaked the script about his origin, that he's apparently Princess Leia and Han Solo's son. So that's pretty cool. Yeah, you can choose any red lightsaber you want. Yeah, but I chose this one because, well, yeah. It's up. And here's the costume for my new character, Darth Talmus. And yes, I am doing this voice. Hello, my name is Darth Talmus, leader of the Second Empire. Prepare to die, Jedi. Yeah, it's a nice costume. Hope you liked this video, and if you did, click thumbs up or down. Trust me, you do not want to do it. Do not click thumbs down. I told you not to click thumbs down. Told you.